Hi everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom partner in crime, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is for someone to be by your side, like a best friend. The two friends grew up together and still had a very close friendship when they became adults. Nothing could ever stop us being friends. We're partners in crime. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The kids were always working together to play pranks on people. Those two are so funny. They're partners in crime. The party had started, and when the group saw Jenny arriving, they said, "Look, there's Jenny. If she's here, her partner in crime, Justin, won't be far behind her." When there was a knock on the door and the woman answered it, it was one of her child's friends. She called to her child, "James, your partner in crime is at the door for you." Let's look at some more examples, this time in professional situations. When the new guy started in the company, it didn't take him long to find friends. You two are like partners in crime. When the staff member had an issue with her manager, she went to human resources. It didn't go to plan. HR basically told me that I over-exaggerated. She and my manager are clearly partners in crime. The two sales agents put their sales numbers together towards the target. I love working with you. You're my partner in crime. Where did you hear the expression partner in crime? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.